All right, it is Tuesday, January 23rd, a Weather AM, and we'll be taking a look at your national forecast. Going to start things off in Ontario. High pressure to the north, the somewhat stationary boundary. We're going to have waves of precipitation riding across it this morning. We've had freezing rain warnings from Windsor to London, weather advisories from southern Huron County down towards Niagara, including around Kitchener, Waterloo, and Hamilton for 5 to 10 centimeters of snow. So we go to Guelph, Ontario, where we find our own storm hunter, Mark Robinson. So, Mark, what have you been experiencing so far in Guelph?
Chris, I'm going to show you right here, and you can listen for the scritching and the scratchings. Okay, the little bit of freezing rain there. Now, I actually am going to use an ice scraper instead of my fingernails to get all the ice off the rest of the car. But that little freezing drizzle has switched over to snow, and will likely continue as snow through most of the day. And we're looking at, as you were saying, 5 to 10 centimeters, which is surprising given how warm this winter has been so far.
Well, we've kind of seen the movie, Mark. By the way, yes, using your fingernails to scratch ice off the windshield, not nearly as effective as a scraper. So, Mark, let's just underline that point. Yeah, okay, the 5 to 10 centimeters, but all the snowstorms so far this year, at least in the southern areas, have been snow quickly changing to rain, and there's been that real slushy mess. Do you kind of see that again with this ordeal?
Yeah, unfortunately, or fortunately, I'm not sure which way that's going to go, but yeah, we are seeing that rain-snow mix. Very typical of El Nino years. El Nino tends to warm up southern Ontario just a little bit throughout the winter, and I think that's what we've been seeing. We also have fairly active storm tracks, so suddenly we're getting lots of storms rushing through and past southern Ontario.
All right, so Mark, I guess the last question is are you going to, this 5 to 10 centimeters, are you going to shovel it out, or are you just going to let Mother Nature sort of do the dirty work for you?
I'm just going to let Mother Nature take all this snow and take it away, because I am entirely lazy and I'm just waiting for spring. So I just want winter to be washed away. But unfortunately, I think we got a few more months to go. Ugh.
All right, safe travels on your expeditions today, Mark. And it's mainly snow today, except to mention the southwest, where it's been some of that freezing rain, which is changing to snow. And then tomorrow, it's primarily rain through the day in the southwest, more like the evening south central areas. And there could be the risk of freezing rain, by the way, Wednesday night into Thursday morning, places like Bancroft towards Cornwall and Ottawa, and then likely again Thursday night. Yeah, another round of rain with these temperatures getting up. And even in the north, Sudbury and Thunder Bay, you're going to be above 0 degrees as well. So it's not just the south, the north, milder weather. But if you really want impressive mild, how about Winnipeg? Normal temperatures is around -12. You've been getting that light snow, and you'll get that again today. Still some cloud cover tomorrow, but temperatures rising up. Going to feel like spring. And in Regina, where we really actually need more precipitation, more snow. We've had some snow, some drifting and blowing snow with a few fresh centimeters on the ground. That'll all be disappearing as you get milder air and sunshine. Where we will not be warming up, Newfoundland and Labrador, those -40 wind chills, that is going to be a cold breath of blue steel coming into Newfoundland tomorrow morning, wind chills near -30.